Hi, my name is Claire and I've been asked to review the Fisher & Paykel RF540A model ActiveSmart American style fridge freezer from AO.com. It was delivered yesterday afternoon by two very helpful delivery men. They carried it through the size of the house due to the size, disposed of all the rubbish, the plastic and the cardboard and took it away. It was a fab service from AO. We had regular updates and accurate delivery times. We opted for a Saturday delivery as we had no need there to take time off work. Right, the fridge freezer. It is an A+ 3-door design in stainless steel with a 614 litre capacity. It can fit an amazing 34 shopping bags, which is great with my family of 6. It is a frost-free freezer which comes with a 2-year manufacturer warranty. I'll just open the freezer now. It has 3 shelves. The dimensions are height is 179 by width 90 by depth 69.5. It comes complete with an ice maker. It has 4 bottle holders, as you can see at the top. Has 2 compartments to store fruit and veg, which are have a humidity control lid and slide. It has clever sensors to work out the best settings and means that your food is kept fresh for longer. It also has an auto defrost refrigerator. In the corner here, you can see that there are controls for an alarm. It also has fast freeze, bottle chill function, an ice on and off and an ice boost, which is the alarm and the ice on and off is great for us for the family of small children as we can turn it off so little fingers are not using it. But close the doors now. The freezer compartment, it has slides out, which is amazing. It has 4 compartments to store plenty of frozen products. It has an ice cube tray that automatically fills up. It makes approximately 8 cubes of ice every 3 to 4 hours and comes complete with a hygienic ice cube scoop. The best bit we feel about this fridge freezer is the water dispenser. It's perfect for parties. Put your glass in there, your chilled water comes out, has a lock function, which is great for small children as you can turn it on and off. Your ice cube tray can be used, which is perfect for parties because it can make more ice with the ice boost function. It has magnetic doors. It also, as I've mentioned before, has a child lock on the drinks dispenser, which with 4 children is really useful. Right, the bits you need to know about this fridge freezer. It requires plumbing to install. The filter does need changing every 6 months. It needs to be left on for 6 hours before using, which the helpful AO delivery man informed me of when it came. It's on wheels, so it's easy to pull out for cleaning. So all we want to say is thanks AO.com for a fab quality product that we are really excited about using. Thank you.